How to delete order history on Swiggy. Now, this actual process is actually doable. However, you won't be able to delete multiple orders at once. Now, what you're going to be doing is instead of doing this at once, all I have to do is open up the application and then make sure to log in into your Swiggy account. And from there, all I have to do is to switch or to choose a specific order individually for you to be able to delete each of them from the application. And that's it. All I have to do again is go to Orders tab, select the order you wish to delete, tap the three dots, and then select Delete this order, and repeat the process again for another order to be deleted. And that's how you delete order history on Swiggy.